Magandang umaga po and welcome sa Tamang Laro, Tamang Panalo, Wise Tips for Pusta de Peligro Moments, a Digi Plus Interactive and Bingo Plus Foundation initiative.
There's also what we call the 3 L's, the look, listen, and link. Look, assess, what to learn. Kailangan alamin natin ano nangyayari dito sa tao na to. And then listen, kahit hindi ka nga nagsasalita makinig ka lang. At paramdam mo your genuineness and sincerity. Yung link is you should be able to refer to the right mental health providers.
When you are managing your personal finances, 5 activities you should be regularly doing. I am strongly suggesting dapat ginawa nyo yan. Kumita, magplano, mag-ipon, gumastos, at pagpapalago o mag-invest. Diyan sa 5 na yan, isa lang ang magkulang, mahihirapan kayo sa pag-manage ng personal finances. Maaaring hindi araw-araw, pero every week or every month.
I think what DigiPlus and Bingo Plus is doing is really remarkable. Like this one is a very big step. And to include mental health, napaka-importante because like gambling addiction or gambling disorder is really part of a mental health space. The people who are suffering from problem gambling or other mental illnesses, I think it all applies to us. Diba? We have to give ourselves really time to pause. Self-care kasi po yun.
Miski na yung fun para sa ating fun and entertainment, yun po, talagang pagplanuhan nyo yun. Aminin na natin, kapag masaya, bonding sa pamilya, you get to enjoy time with your loved ones, yun yung mga gusto natin paggastusan. Piti yun, pagplanuhan natin para ma-enjoy natin to the hilt. At walang regret. Yung pera, nauubos. Yung kita, natatapos. Yung yaman, binabahagi.